Hello Minidisc people, I thought I'd do a very quick video. I haven't got a lot of time, so it's going to be one take. Hope you enjoy it. I'm going to be opening a used Minidisc player that I've just had delivered today from someone on eBay. It's not in its original box, however it is in quite good condition from what I see from the photos. So we're going to have a quick look today. Excellent. It came with this carry case from Case Logic. And in here, there we go. This might give you a clue as to which one it is. That is the remote control for it. The MZ-E900 in pretty good condition by the looks of it. Yeah, that looks excellent. Nothing else in there. It comes with 4 discs. Probably not my taste in music. And yet again an assortment of different cases. So I'm uploading a few videos about this, but most of them will be about the cases and which cases did the discs come in. So there we go. This might give you a clue as to the Minidisc. Let's get to the Minidisc itself. That's what you're really here for. There we go. Bit of bubble wrap. Original Sony bag in pretty good condition, and this is the one itself. I'm going to take the horrible battery case off because I hate these things. So there we have it. We have a MZ-E900. And how much of that you can see. So this is one of the smallest Minidisc players I can find. It's not a recorder. But it is quite a later one. I think this was introduced in the year 2000. Not entirely sure. I suppose I should have looked that up first. So let's have a look and see. Problem with autofocus again. It's in pretty good condition. Let's get rid of that. That might help. There we go. That's where the battery attaches. If you want to use the the AA batteries. No display on this one, but we just got the normal volume, stop, start, fast forward and what have you. The OPR is the operational light, that glows red when it's working. But really nice, really small Minidisc player. It's on hold, let's take that off. So comparing it with the actual size of a Minidisc, you'll see it's very nearly the size of a Minidisc. Let's put one of those in there. I also got one inside it as well. That's a bit of a bonus. What we got? Oh, more faithless. There we go. Pop that in there, but it is really, really tiny, and this one is in excellent condition. Let me see if I've got a battery. Cool, that's a bit stiff. I'll be upset if this doesn't come open. Oh, there we go. See a bit of corrosion in there, maybe. See if we can get the thing to focus. There it is. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. That's going to need cleaning up. That's why I wouldn't open probably. That is battery corrosion. Now this is probably a nickel metal hydride battery, which aren't supposed to leak like the old alkaline batteries or the zinc carbon batteries did. Let's see if we can get that out. Oh, that was easy enough. So that's the battery that came with it. MH14NWA. That's probably the original, my guess is. That one is a 10WM. They're the same size. The difference is this one is only a 900 milliamps. There we go, 900 milliamps. 1.2 volt, and that is 1350 milliamps. They last for so long, I don't think it'll make a lot of difference. But I'm going to put this one in and see if we can get anything out of it, because those battery terminals are badly corroded. So where did I put my headphone? Not my headphone. Here it is. Okay, so let's see what happens. We press the play on here. Not a sausage. The reason being is that battery is very corroded, or the battery terminals are very corroded. Not supposed to get it on your fingers, but why not? That might be an issue because that corrosion might be on the inside as well. So let's try find the start button on this. Where's the play button? Could be it there actually. Nope, not a sausage. I don't think that's going to work, which is a shame because I'd hoped for this to be my get it out of the box and use it type of mini disc player without any repairs on it. So let's take that off. Let's put this back on. Now I'm sure any of you know about mini discs know that this is a AA battery adapter. It just goes on there, screws on with a thumbnail, thumb screw. Opens up like that. Grab a battery, pop it in there, press the play button, see what happens.